Hello, and welcome to the Porter's Value Chain Model template. My name is Felipe Brito, and I'll be your guide for this template. The team at Procurement Tactics has over 20 years of procurement and negotiation experience, and with all those years of being in the industry, there are a few things we have discovered. One of these discoveries is the usefulness of the Porter's Value Chain Model. What is that, you ask? Well, you are about to find out. Before anything else, let's break down what a value chain is first. A value chain is, as it says in the name, a chain. It's a series of interconnected steps or actions that organizations go through when it comes to product creation and product delivery. A central thing about this model is its high emphasis on the creation of value in these steps. Michael Porter, who is a respected name in the fields of business management and economics, introduced the idea of value chain in the book Competitive Advantage: Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance, published in 1985. This model renewed companies' views on how their activities contributed to the overall value. The value chain model's purpose is to dissect the company activities and make them strategic in their own ways. This enables companies, especially those in the field of procurement, to analyze each individual activity and optimize them as best as they can. Procurement professionals and company leaders should give themselves the advantage of knowing about this model since it's such a useful tool in a competitive market. It's useful because each segment or activity of a company's internal process can contribute to its overall value, and Porter's value chain model helps to expose how each of these segments or activities can do precisely that. This can give you ideas about how you can change your internal processes for the better and optimize every activity so well that your company becomes a well-oiled machine. There are two categorizations of activities in Porter's value chain model, and these are the primary activities and the support activities. Primary activities are directly related to product creation, sale, and post-sale service, while support activities ensure that primary activities have all the requirements to be executed well. Here are the activities from both categories, which we will delve into later on in this template. The primary activities are inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. Then we have the support activities, which include procurement, technology development, human resource management, and firm infrastructure. Porter's value chain model identifies five primary activities that are critical in adding value and creating a competitive edge for any organization. Here's a quick rundown and overview of what each individual activity is about. This will allow you to have a grasp of their role within the greater value chain. Let's start with primary activities. Inbound logistics is the first stage in the value chain. Think of this as the welcome party for all the materials needed to create a product. This involves receiving, storing, and disseminating inputs of the product. Effective inbound logistics can significantly reduce costs and improve product quality, contributing to a competitive advantage. For procurement professionals, mastering this stage means negotiating favorable terms with suppliers, ensuring quality control, and optimizing inventory management. Following up, the first stage is the operations, which is the heart of production. This is where the magic happens. This refers to the process of transforming inputs or raw materials into your finished products or services. This stage demands efficiency and innovation in manufacturing processes. It's here that procurement companies seek to streamline operations, reduce waste, and maintain quality. The goal, of course, is aligned with procurement's role in sourcing the best materials and technologies. Once the product is ready, it must reach its customer. This is where outbound logistics come in. This involves storage, order processing, and distribution. Effective outbound logistics requires seamless coordination between production schedules, warehousing, and transportation. It is essential to ensure timely delivery to customers. The fourth stage in the value chain model is marketing and sales. These activities are about creating demand for the product. It encompasses advertising, pricing strategies, and sales channels. The challenge here is not just to attract buyers, but to do so in a way that aligns with the brand's value proposition and market positioning. The last of the primary activities is service. The post-sale support includes customer service, maintenance, and repair services. This stage is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships. It's an area where the procurement function can contribute significantly by ensuring the availability of quality spare parts and service materials. Each of these primary activities is not only a critical step in the value chain process, but are opportunity for an organization to add value and differentiate itself from competitors. Let's now have a look at the support activities. Support activities kick off with procurement. This, of course, involves the process of acquiring the raw materials and other inputs needed for production. It goes beyond buying goods. It's about everything from finding the right suppliers to the acquisition of goods and everything in between. The next is technology development. Technology development should happen in all activities applicable, whether it's in replacing old technology or improving existing ones for the enhancement of the product or service. Some technological improvements include, but it's not limited to, information technology, research and development, and process automation. This is an area that procurement teams play a role in as well, since they are responsible for identifying and sourcing the right technology partners. Coming third in the support activities is human resource management. People are the most vital asset in any organization. This activity focuses on recruiting, training, and developing employees. Strong human resource practices ensure that the organization has skilled and motivated employees, vital for executing all other activities in the value chain effectively. Lastly, firm infrastructure. This includes organizational structure and how a company is run, from planning and finance to quality management systems and company culture. A robust infrastructure supports the entire value chain by providing a stable foundation upon which all activities can thrive. To help you translate Porter's value chain into practice, we'll provide you with an example. Amazon's implementation of Porter's value chain model provides a clear blueprint for understanding how theoretical concepts apply in practice. Inbound logistics. Amazon has perfected the art of inbound logistics, sourcing products from a vast network of suppliers and ensuring they are readily available through advanced logistics and inventory management systems. As for their operations, the company's operational excellence is evidenced in its use of state-of-the-art automation and robotics, streamlining processes and cutting labor costs while maintaining high efficiency in order fulfillment centers. For outbound logistics, creating a robust network for delivering goods worldwide allows Amazon to offer convenient and varied shipping options, enhancing customer satisfaction through reliable service. Then, marketing and sales. Amazon's use of its website, mobile apps, and social media platforms for targeted advertising and personalized product recommendations shows a keen understanding of modern marketing and sales strategies that align closely with customer preferences and behaviors. Customer service. The tech giant focuses on high-quality customer service, including 24/7 customer support and a loyalty program through Amazon Prime, reflects the critical role of service in maintaining customer loyalty and driving additional revenue. Through the lens of Amazon's operations, it's evident that the value chain is not only a theoretical framework but a practical tool for diagnosing company activities and finding opportunities for optimization and differentiation. By leveraging every link in the value chain, Amazon has built a formidable competitive advantage that many companies aspire to emulate. As we wrap up our lesson on Porter's value chain model, remember that it's like a toolbox that helps us look at our company's process from start to finish. It shows us areas for improvement, and it's up to us to follow through the value chain and maintain its interlocking parts. That is all for Porter's value chain model template. There is much more to learn about procurement and improving business operations. If you'd like to know more, check out Procurement Tactics courses. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.